SL Propack, part of the $2.4 billion SL Group, with a turnover of $350 million, is a global tube packaging company headquartered in Mumbai, India. It is one of the world's largest packaging manufacturers of laminated plastic tubes, with operations in 11 countries. SL Propack was looking for a scalable as well as cost-effective disaster recovery solution on cloud for their SAP and Exchange deployment. ESDS's Enlight Cloud solution with its patented auto-scaling technology made a perfect business case for SL Propack's SAP DR requirement.
As a CIO, there's always a challenge to minimize our OPEX and and also keep in mind the scalability component of it. So that's where we were facing challenges in terms of working out a cost-effective solutions for our disaster recovery for SAP as well as Exchange system. Scalability, and I've been pleasantly surprised. When a couple of last months, we have been cases where I have reached out to ESDS team for scaling up. We started with something, but then we have actually added few more applications onto the cloud, and I got a very good response from the team, and team has been, I would say, quite agile in terms of reverting back to us.
Patented vertical auto-scaling technology which allows the virtual machines to upscale or downsize their CPU and RAM in real time.
The cost, that is something which I think C also, there's when you say CIO, there's one cost C which is there. So it's always there at the back of mind and yes, I think that has helped us.
For disaster recovery hosting, Enlight with its auto-scaling technology is the most cost-effective solution in the world. It bills customers for storage space and minor computer usage while in passive mode, resulting in more than 70% cost savings.
The technical parameters in terms of, I would rate my RPO and RTO to be more important for me. So RPO and RTO have actually come down from to 10 minutes and 30 minutes. I would actually give more weightages to those components than the actual cost. Yeah. So from that perspective, we are quite satisfied. Fortunately, we are a part of a growing organization, and I have seen my data getting multiplied practically by 3 to 4 times. While you can plan for X, but sometimes if the growth happens, say for X, 3X, 4X, that is where the expertise of vendors like ESDS comes into the picture, who can provide us a scalable solution. Yeah, see, up till now we have evaluated and using ESDS services for DR, and apart from that, I'm sure if need arises, they can actually help us set up our primary data center also. So yes, they are quite capable team. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the services, and more than that is a technical expertise which team brings, especially Rajiv and all. They've been there as a part of the solution, and what has been delivered, I'm quite satisfied.